In this video, we'll show you how to set up your tent using best pitching practices and remove the stress from your build. Start with your pitch. Ideally, you'll want to pitch on a clear, flat area. Check the floor and remove any sharp stones, sticks, or debris that could damage the base of your tent. Unpack your tent and gently unroll it onto the ground. You may find the poles and pegs are rolled up inside of your tent for safekeeping. Pull the corners of the tent out fully, making sure the fabric is spread out smoothly. Next, assemble all the pole sections. There should be no visible gaps between pole sections. If there are different length poles or color coding, check the manual to ensure you insert these into the correct section of tent. Lay the poles diagonally over the middle of the tent and then attach the inner tent to the poles using the clips. Locate the pole ends and insert them into their corresponding corner pole pockets, whilst gently lifting and bending the pole to raise the arch. This can be made easier with two people working simultaneously. Place your outer sheet or fly sheet over the tent. Ensure to align the outer and inner doors. Once the poles are raised and the tent is standing, peg out the corners. Start with the first corner. Peg down the inner tent, followed by the fly sheet. Each peg should be driven in at the same 45-degree angle, leaning away from the tent as shown. Peg down all remaining points around the base of the tent. Insert the pole to create the front porch. Feed the pole gently through. Don't push too quickly or use excessive force. Make sure each pole segment is inserted through the tent so it sits with the same amount of excess pole visible on either side of the tent. Locate the pole ends and insert them into their corresponding corner pole pockets, and then attach the inner tent to the poles using the clips. Peg down all remaining points around the base of the tent. Next, extend and peg out the guy lines. Guy lines should always be pegged at a consistent 45-degree angle away from the tent for maximum stability. Finally, check the tension of the guy lines. They should be firm but not overly tight. Next, check all doors and zips open and close freely. Next, connect the porch ground sheet to the loop found inside the porch. Finally, connect the Velcro straps on the porch inner to the poles. After completing the pitching of your tent, we recommend a final walk around the entire tent and check for even tension on all pegging points, no sharp bends or stress on poles, guy lines pulling in straight lines, zips running smoothly without fabric caught in them, the tent standing upright and aligned. When everything looks balanced and secure, your tent is fully pitched and ready to enjoy.